Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Performance Management Studio in AIZOPlan to define, track, and manage key results, measurable outcomes that help you monitor the progress of your portfolio toward its strategic goals. To get started, go to your portfolio office, then click the Performance Management Studio. How to add a key result? Click Add Key Result, and select the portfolio you want to assign it to. You can use AIZO, the AI assistant, to generate smart suggestions tailored to your portfolio's strategy and industry context. Now, complete the key result form with the following details: title, a clear, specific name for the KR. Description, what success looks like for this objective. Action, a strategic verb like increase, optimize, reduce. When, timeframe for completion. Frequency, how often progress is tracked, monthly, quarterly. Reason, the strategic driver behind the key result. Efficiency, growth, KPI type. Choose between percentage or absolute value. Initial value and target value. Define the current baseline and the goal. Once completed, click Save. You can repeat this process to define multiple key results for the same portfolio. Once your key results are in place, you can begin tracking performance. In the Performance Management Studio, choose the portfolio you want to monitor. Search or browse the list to find the KR you want to review. You'll see key details. Each key result includes real-time indicator as results scored from 0 to 1, based on actual performance. You'll also see a graphical view showing how performance evolves over time. To update progress, click Add KPI, input the latest result, and save. This updates the chart and recalculates the KR status automatically. In conclusion, the Performance Management Studio helps you define clear, measurable key results and track their progress over time. Thanks for watching.